After the September 11th attacks, maritime security changed forever. A new code emerged that transformed port and vessel safety. It's known as the ISPS Code. Every seafarer needs to understand it. Welcome to IMT. Today we're breaking down the ISPS Code. This stands for the International Ship and Port Facility Security Code. If you work on board or intend to, this directly affects you. The ISPS Code was adopted by the IMO in December 2002. It came into force in July 2004. This extensive set of measures enhances the security of ships and ports. Consider it the maritime world's response to terrorism and piracy. It applies to all ships making international voyages and to all port facilities serving those vessels. What does the ISPS Code require? It demands 3 key elements from every vessel. First is the Ship Security Plan, or SSP. This is a documented plan detailing how the ship handles security threats. Second, there's the Ship Security Officer, or SSO. This is a designated crew member responsible for onboard security. Third, vessels need a ship security alert system. This silent alarm notifies authorities if the ship is threatened. Port facilities have similar requirements. They must also appoint a port facility security officer and conduct regular security drills. Why is this crucial for your maritime career? If you aspire to be a ship security officer, which is a paid role, you need the PFSO or SSO certification. This certification adds immense value to your maritime CV. It qualifies you for security officer positions on international vessels. At IMT, we offer online PFSO and ISPS certification courses. These are designed with the working seafarer in mind. Want to become a certified ship security officer? Visit imtllc.com to explore our ISPS and PFSO training programs. Get certified online at your own pace with internationally recognized credentials. The link is in the description. Take the next step for your maritime career today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to IMT for more maritime training each week. Like and share with fellow seafarers, and we'll see you in the next video.